welcome back to Pure Lottie. So today's video is a mystery unboxing. So if you want to see what I've got today, then make sure you keep watching. And if you like today's video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to join my family, hit that subscribe button and change that notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. Alright, let's jump in. So this mystery box is from Center of Attention Makeup Artistry. Now it's not her brand's products in here. She's actually gone through all her makeup and decluttered it all of the stuff she gets in PR, etc. Anything that was slightly used, she has sanitized and everything. And I picked it up for $150 and it's meant to have a value of around $400. So this is the big box that it came in. Now I have pre-unpackaged some of the items in here that were wrapped up just to save us time whilst I'm unboxing it. But I thought I'd show you what I got and what I'm adding to my collection. So let's open her up. So it did come with bubble wrap throughout and it had tissue paper on a lot of these stuff. And it was the tissue paper I took off because I didn't want to sit here having to undo it. So I got one of her little cards saying thank you and her little business card as well. Okay, so she did throw in a few little lollies. So there's like some little gummy bears, some like mini dinosaurs and a lollipop. So I'll just pop those to the side for when I'm needing to have some energy whilst editing. Alright, so let's jump straight in. Let's go ahead with these two lip products. So the first one I've got here is from Model Brock. It is the liquid matte lipstick in the shade Flirty. Now I actually have some of these shades, which I think I've got this exact shade actually. So I will pop this in a giveaway for you guys. This is brand new. I did take it off, the packaging off of this. So I'll pop this in a giveaway for you guys because I already have this shade. I got these in the Illumi boxes. The next one I have here is from Tiason Matte Lipstick. I've never heard of this brand. It's in the shade number 12. So it comes like this. And then opening it up. Oh, it's almost the same shade as the packaging. Wow, that's really deep. So this is the colour here. It is like a mauve sort of colour. It's quite deep there, but I'm excited to add that to my collection. I don't have a really deep lipstick like that, so that's good to add in. The next product here, this looks all brand new as well because it still has packaging on it. This is from the Body Shop and it is the Strawberry Smoothing Face Mist. So this is what it looks like. And I might pop this in a giveaway because I don't actually use the Body Shop products and because it's brand new. The next product I've got here is the Morphe 2 Hint of Toffee. I think it's like a skin tint. I think this is their, you know, like the no makeup line. So the shade was Hint of Toffee. This is way too dark for me, as you can see. I'm cast by the ghost over here, so this isn't going to work for me. So this does look like as though it's been opened and maybe swatched, and it probably hasn't worked out as the right shade. So I'm going to pass this on to a friend or family member that have a deeper skin tone than me, because yeah, this is definitely not my shade. The next product I got in here is from XX Revolution and this is the Hydra Quench Primer. So this is a really cool packaging. It has like little water droplets on it. Oh, almost dropped it then. And it's like green. So I'm excited to give this a shot. I have actually seen this online but I've never purchased it myself. The next product I got is from Ben New and it is a luxury powder in the shade Rose Petal. So I think it is like a setting powder. So I'm excited to give this a try. The next product again is brand new. It's got all the packaging on it again and it is from NYX. It is an intense butter gloss. This is in the shade Funnel Delight. So I'll pop this in a giveaway for you guys because I have loads of lip products already. I don't need any more. The next item I got in here is from Morphe. It is a micro brow pencil, but it's in the shade Almond, which is going to be way too dark for me. So I think I'll pop that in a future giveaway or pass it on to a friend or family member who has darker brows than me. The next product I've got here is from La Bombshell, and it is some lashes in the style Angel. They look super, super pretty. You can see them there. Absolutely stunning. And then I've got some more lashes here from Model Rock. This one's in the style number 27. Now these have confused me. Look at these. Are these for your bottom lashes, or are they really that small? I'm going to have to look them up. I think they might be for your bottom lash line. Another 2 sets of lashes. So this one is Model Rock in style 117. Really, really pretty again. And then another Model Rock one in the style number 1. Super pretty again. I'm excited to have that in my collection. Now she does stock some Model Rock products, and I have purchased some lashes from her and I do really like them. I think I'm wearing Model Rock lashes today. So yeah, I am. I don't know what style this is because it doesn't have the name on it. But I actually really like those lashes. Oh, one of her products. So one of her products here is the Colourful Language keyring. So it just looks like this. Super, super cool. Really like it. I absolutely love my Colourful Language palette. The eyeliner, the yellow and the white, I have used the face paint from her Colourful Language palette. So that is cool. The next item is from Mecca, and this is a brightening hydrogel sheet mask. Again, I'll pop this in a giveaway or give it to a friend or family member just because of my skin issues. I don't know if I'm going to react to this, so I don't want to risk it. The next product, I think this one has been opened and used a little bit, but it is from Stila, and it is the Deception Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow. It looks like this, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to love this because it is like a baby pink. Look at that. Oh, it is so stunning. Wow. Has like reflex of like blue and like purple and then pink and silver. It is super, super pretty. The next item I've got here is from Stila again. This is all packaged again. This is the Extreme Lash Mascara. That's exciting because I have never tried this one before, so I'm excited to try this one out. The next one is from Fenty Beauty. Ooh, Fenty, I love Fenty Beauty. Now, this looks, yeah, I think this is brand new because there is absolutely no pigment anywhere. But this is like a loose pigment, I think, in the shade February. So it's just in this little jar, and it's like this purple, like pastel purple colour. Super pretty. The next lot of products I got is actually some brushes. So she packaged them in this. Now, I did know there was going to be brushes in here. She said that she had packaged brushes in all of her mystery boxes. She had, I think, 10 or 11. So this is all the brushes that she's put in there. They're absolutely amazing. There's so many of them. They're all just like matte black handles. And it's like a full complete set, like eyes and face. So I think I've got some brushes that I prefer to use. So I think I'm going to use these for when I do like face paint and stuff like that, my creative looks. Then I don't ruin my brushes that I prefer. So I think I'll put that aside for doing that. 2 more products in here. This is another product from her line. So this is a set of earrings, and these are absolutely amazing. Look how stunning they are. I really, really love the pattern on that. So I'm excited to have these now. And the lucky last item is a huge, huge palette. So this is from Crown Pro. and it looks like this. Now, I think there's been like 2 shades in here swatched maybe, that I can tell, or maybe 3. But the rest are like completely untouched, and you can tell that it's just been swatched a little. But this is really pretty. I don't know if I'm going to keep this or not yet. I might pass it on to a friend or family member. She did sanitize it and everything, and I'll sanitize it again if I do give it to one of my friends or family members. But the color story just doesn't pull me in. I'm not a huge fan of purple, and it's a lot more neutrals, and I have just done a palette declutter, and I don't want to clutter it back up with palettes that I'm not going to reach for, and this doesn't like super call my name. But I am excited to get all of these products, and I knew that getting mystery boxes, I know that I'm never going to love everything that comes in a box, but that's completely fine because most of the products that I do give you guys is from mystery boxes with products that I'm not going to use for myself, and then my friends and family absolutely love it as well. They don't need to go shopping because they can just come here and get some makeup and skincare from me. That was a super exciting box. I am excited to pop some of these items into my collection now, and I will be doing a giveaway hopefully soon. I have tons of products stocked up. I've been purchasing lots, so I now have a full bag of goodies to start giving away. So yeah, if you liked today's video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up down below because it really helps me out, and if you're new, don't forget to join my family. Hit that subscribe button and change that notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. And as always, thanks for watching, guys. Bye!